पाकिस्तानी अमेरिकन कम्युनिटी लॉन्ग आइलैंड की एक नुमाइंदा तंजीम पाकिस्तानी अमेरिकन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन फॉर वर्कर्स एजुकेशन एंड राइट्स, जो कि पावर के नाम से जानी जाती है, के ज़ेर एहतमाम सफक काउंटी लॉन्ग आइलैंड में विमेन हिस्ट्री मंथ के सिलसिले में हिजाब डे और इस्तकबाल रमज़ान तकरीब का एहतमाम किया गया। ताहिरा दीन और टीम पावर के ज़ेर एहतमाम तकरीब में सफक काउंटी डिस्ट्रिक्ट अटॉर्नी ऑफिस की एग्जेक्टिव असिस्टेंट मेगन डोनेल के अलावा पाकिस्तानी अमेरिकन कम्युनिटी की मुख्तलिफ शोबाह ज़िंदगी से ताल्लुक़ रखने वाली अहम शख्सियात बिलखसूस ख़वातीन की बड़ी तादाद ने शिरकत की। सैयद तसव्वुरुल हसन शाह गिलानी ने आयात कुरानी की तिलावत करके तकरीब का आगाज़ किया।
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। सुब्हान रब्बिका रब्बिल इज़्ज़ति अम्मा यसिफून।
सुल्ताना करीम ने बारगाह रसालत सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम में हदिया अकीदत पेश किया।
हसना जमीओ खिसालेही सल्लू अलैहि व आलिही।
हिजाब डे के मौके पर ताहिरा दीन ने अपनी तंजीम की जानब से तकरीब में शामिल डिस्ट्रिक्ट अटॉर्नी ऑफिस सफक की एग्जेक्टिव असिस्टेंट समेत तमाम ख़वातीन कायदीन को हिजाब पेश किए। तकरीब में पाकिस्तानी अमेरिकन कम्युनिटी की मुख्तलिफ शोबाह ज़िंदगी से तल्लुक़ रखने वाली अहम ख़वातीन के साथ साथ मुख्तलिफ तंजीमों के कायदीन ने भी शिरकत की। हिबा उमर ने निज़ामत के फ़राइज़ अंजाम देते हुए सबसे पहले पावर तंजीम का तारुफ करवाया।
Power, what does it stand for? The P stands for pride, the O stands for ownership, the W stands for working hard, the E stands for empowerment, and the R stands for our rights.
हिबा उमर का कहना था कि हिजाब हया, अखलाकियात और तकद्दुस के एहतराम के तौर पर पहचाना जाता है।
The hijab, what is a hijab? And why is it worn? The hijab is a veil traditionally worn by Muslim women in the presence of any male outside of their immediate family. It usually covers the head and chest, and its primary purpose is to promote modesty, privacy, and morality.
पावर की चेयरपर्सन ताहिरा दीन ने मेहमानों को खुश आमदीद कहते हुए कहा कि इंटरनेशनल वुमेन डे मनाने का मकसद सफा काउंटी समेत दुनिया भर में ख़वातीन के एक मजबूत और तामीरी किरदार का एतराफ़ और इस किरदार को खराज तहसीन पेश करना है।
I am honored to welcome you to our International Women's Day celebration. Today, we come together to celebrate the achievements, contributions, and resilience of women around the world. International Women's Day is a time to recognize the progress that has been made towards gender equality, while also acknowledging the work that still needs to be done. On this day, we celebrate the strength, courage, and determination of women who have broken barriers, shattered glass ceiling, and paved the way for future generations. We also recognize the importance of supporting and empowering women in all aspects of life. On this International Women's Day, let us recommit ourselves to creating a more inclusive, equal, and just world for all.
तकरीब से खिताब के दौरान पाकिस्तानी कम्युनिटी की ख़वातीन कायदीन आमना इफ्तिखार, सारा सज्जाद, रोमाना सैयद, तस्नीम कमर, आफिया सज्जाद और डॉक्टर सदफ सुलेमान समेत दीगर का कहना था कि जिस मुआशरे में ख़वातीन के साथ मसावी सलूक किया जाता है वो एक मजबूत और तरक्की याफ्ता मुआशरा होता है।
We have to be in a society where women are empowered. Imagine a society where women are empowered and treated equally. I think that society would be a much better and easier space for us.
I would just feel like introducing myself as one of you, a very empowered woman, born as a woman. We're living a life with more than expected ups and downs, and we're dealing with it every day. So hats off to all of us, and we all need a big round of applause. being in a society away from our country is itself very challenging. And raising our kids over here,
We're talking about that today is like a power woman and also the same time is a hijab. Hijab is a very important right now. It's like as like all around the world it's like a very like a viral things going on, but it's like not for everyone. Everyone's have their own. But as a power woman is today is like a undoubtedly women who have broken the barrier for their future generation.
We should all clap for us. Today is our day.
Women empowerment. I have only one thing to say. First thing first, you have to respect yourself. Women have to respect themselves. If they respect themselves, everybody respect them. And hijab is the first thing. Thank you.
Say that women should be respected because women have the capability to excel in every part of life, in every aspect of life, because they are the core of the family. They are the ones who make the home.
We women raise the kids, and it is really very important for men or anybody in the family to respect a woman in the house, because if she is respected, she will have her own self-esteem, so she could raise the kids better, you know. And if they're not respected, you'll see the difference in the kids when they're raised and when they grow up. You see the difference in the kids' behavior, their attitude and everything. It is really very important for a woman to be aware of that and to be respected so she could give a good guidance to the kids.
तकरीब में शरीक पाकिस्तानी कम्युनिटी कायदीन एजाज बुखारी, नैयर अब्बास और साले समी समेत दीगर का भी कहना था कि ख़वातीन का आलमी दिन हम सब के लिए एक याद दहानी है कि ख़वातीन की तरक्की के बगैर हमारी इज्तमाई तरक्की मुमकिन नहीं.
Women are the most unsung heroes and are the pillars of our society. So really appreciate that. I have a beautiful wife sitting over here, and I'm surrounded with, and I have 4 daughters. So I know how to appreciate women. Without them, my life would be meaningless. So I really want to congratulate each one of you, and I just want to tell you that you guys are undoubtedly heroes, and without you guys, this world would not have been where it is.
Well, I believe every day is a Women's Day. Usually, we men do not admit publicly, but in house we do. And today, special thanks to my wife, all the women in our life who do a wonderful job in our household and public life. They raise our children, and sometimes they raise their husbands too. And thank you very much to be in part of our life, our workplace, with the talent you created in our life. You really deserve much more appreciation.
Hijab is not only in the Muslim culture. Hijab is in every religion. Hijab is in Christianity also. Hijab in Jewish also. You see a lot of them. They cover their heads, and the people see them very respected way. And if they go to their subway, the people leave their seat and give them a seat and respect them. So hijab is not created by only Islam. It's created by it was in the every religion before Islam. So I want to tell you, you should not be. If somebody is trying to discriminate you because of your race or your color or because you're doing hijab, you should not be fear about it. Let us know, because we have a DA department here too. So if anybody is giving you a hard time, let us know and we will take action immediately. Thank you.
DA ऑफिस की एग्जीक्यूटिव असिस्टेंट मेगन ओ डोनल ने हिजाब पेश करने पर शुक्रिया अदा करते हुए कहा कि कम्युनिटीज़ को दूसरों को अपने कल्चर और इक़दार के बारे में आगाही देने का इक़दाम नहायत ही काबिल सताइश है.
Not only for giving us these, but also for teaching us about them as well. That's so important. to be educated on other cultures and other communities that we are not familiar with. So I thank you so much for that. I also thank you, Tahira, for all that you do. I must admit that I only learned about power today, but I was enthralled in reading all about it and learning about not only Tahira, but this new organization that she has founded. And I'm truly honored to be here tonight and to be part of this event.
तकरीब में पाकिस्तानी अमेरिकन कम्युनिटी की अहम खवातीन यास्मीन अकबर, समीना अख्तर, सुल्ताना करीम और आफिया सज्जाद को उनकी खिदमात के इतराफ़ के तौर पर DA ऑफिस की जानब से साइटेशंस पेश की गईं। अमेरिका में पाकिस्तानी कम्युनिटी की तादाद में इजाफे के साथ साथ कम्युनिटी की खवातीन अरकान की तादाद में भी मुसलसल इजाफा हो रहा है और पाकिस्तानी अमेरिकन खवातीन अमेरिका में मुख्तलिफ शोबाए ज़िंदगी में आगे बढ़कर नुमाया किरदार अदा करती नज़र आ रही हैं। मोहसिन ज़हीर, चैनल 5 न्यूयॉर्क।
Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.